I'm David from Hybrid Racing, and this is everything you need to know about the upgraded master cylinder kit for the FK8 Civic Type-R. Over the last few years, we've been driving, racing our Civic Type-R, and one of the biggest complaints is how the clutch pedal feels. The engagement is pretty numb, and sometimes it's really soft, especially with the factory clutch. We decided to take our current master cylinder kit that we sell for some of the older Civics and transform that and adapt it to the new Civic Type-R. One of the biggest changes is that our master cylinder doesn't have a damper. The internals are aluminum instead of plastic, and our one-piece clutch line removes tons of failure points. So let's check out what's in the box. First things first, master cylinder. This is our Nissan master cylinder. We have our own custom seal and, most importantly, custom clevis. Everything in here is calibrated. Here, you don't have to disassemble anything. You don't have to remove anything. It's ready to go. All right. Next, included in the hardware bag, we have a zip tie, which is going to help you with the install. 2 spacers. These are going to go on the master cylinder when you mount it inside the car. Tube of silicone grease. This is extremely important for the pin. And then also plastic retaining clips, which will retain the clutch line in the car. We have an adapter fitting for the slave cylinder and a banjo fitting also for the master cylinder and the clutch line. Lastly, one-piece clutch line, stainless steel braided PTFE liner, includes a bracket which is going to mount to the factory transmission bracket. So let's check out these master cylinders side by side. Here we have the factory FK8 clutch master cylinder, and you can see it's pretty obvious which one it is because it has the triangular diaphragm, which is the damper. And if you take the damper cap, take this damper cap off, you can see the pieces inside and essentially what the inside looks like. So the fluid has to travel through here, and then this damper will actually absorb noise and vibration. You can see the plastic piston assembly as well, and the design of this is actually quite different too. So this, along with the damper, really kind of, I think, play a part in how the pedal feels. So moving to our master cylinder and the design, immediately you can see that there's no damper, there's no diaphragm on the side, and the piston design is quite different. So it's heavier, it's more rigid, and it doesn't really move around like this. So this gets translated into the pedal feel, and it just makes the pedal feel stronger, more reliable, more consistent. And when you go to engage or disengage the clutch, you can really feel where the engagement point is versus kind of having a numb feeling where it's just consistent throughout its pedal travel. This is our complete master cylinder. It's complete with a custom clevis. So this is designed by us, manufactured for us, calibrated to the specs of the FK8 Civic Type-R, calibrated to the pedal, ready to install. And you can see the stud length is larger compared to the original FK8. So what you'll have to do is we include spacers that go on the inside of the firewall, and then you'll put the factory retaining nut on that. That's everything you need to know about the CMC kit for the FK8 Civic Type-R. Check out our other video for all the information on how to install it.